for all of us. We gotta live it up.